Morning, children. In the last class, we were learning about the pitch and frequency, children. Today, we'll be learning about the normal sound consisting of the mixed frequencies, children. Normally, we come across of many sounds in our daily life, children. We come across the people talking, the birds chirping, the animals making of sounds. Like that, we come across many of the different sounds, children. And here, different sounds will be having of different frequencies. All the sounds will not be having of the same frequency and same amplitude, children. Normally, different sounds will be having of different frequencies and different amplitude. Already we know that what is a frequency. Frequency is the number of vibrations completed in a second is called as a frequency. Whereas the amplitude is the maximum displacement of the wave is called as the amplitude, children. Okay. Here, we hear many different sounds, but we will not concentrate on all the sounds, whatever that are there. Okay. Okay, children. Example: the different sounds produced in a classroom before the commencement of the class. The different sounds produced. That means only we concentrate on the sound produced in the classroom, but not the sounds which are coming from the outside, children. Okay. And here we know that no two persons will be producing of the same sort of sounds, children. No two persons will be having of the same sort of sounds as they produce the same sound of equal pitch and equal amplitude. That means no two persons will be producing of the same pitch and same amplitude, children. Okay. Why do we produce sounds with different pitches or different amplitudes while speaking? The variation in the pitch and the amplitude of a sound during our speech helps us to communicate with each other in the form of the language. Okay, children. Normally, in order to communicate with each other, the variations in the pitch and the frequencies will be helping us, children. Okay. The variation in the pitch and the amplitude of the sound produced during our speech will be communicating as like a language, children. And here the primitive man, that means the first man, primitive man had not developed language. That means here in the olden days, the early man, they are not having of any language. They used to communicate only with the signs and some sounds which had the written equivalent. Okay, children, which had no written equivalent. That means there was no lipi, there was no language. Okay, children, there was no language. Okay, right. Okay, children, that means the primitive man had not developed the language. They used to communicate only with the signs and the sounds which were not having any no written language. That means no script over there. Script was not there in the early age. That means they used to communicate only with the signs. They used to communicate only with the some sort of sounds which had no written script. Okay, children. But in the process of evolution, the sounds became a source of meaningful communication, and eventually they are converted in the written forms. This led to the development of the full form of the language, which we use now to communicate. Normally we are communicating now. How we communicate? By the written form of the language. Okay, children. Now not only humans, but also animals also communicate. Okay. But animals too have a mechanism of communication by producing sounds with different frequencies and amplitude according to their need. Okay, children. That means here animals, in order to communicate with each other, they produce a different sound and the different pitch and with the different frequencies. Okay. At a different sort of time, they will be producing of different sounds in order to communicate with each other, children. Okay. That means in the olden days, in the early man stage, there were no, okay, in the early man stage, there was no language. They used to communicate only with the signs. They used to communicate only with the some sort of sounds. But in the evolution, language become the main source. Okay, to communicate with each other, we should have language, children. Normally, when I visited Kerala, I went Kerala, children, once. Okay, at the time when I went, I know only Telugu, Hindi, English, children. But whereas Kerala people, they speak Malayalam. I don't know Malayalam. Okay, children. As I went there, I faced a lot of problem during in order to communicate with each other, children. Okay. Okay. Therefore, language plays very important role. Language plays very important role in order to communicate with each other. Okay, children. Actually, I went to a meeting where they had given the food. The Kerala food, rice will be this much, children. Very broad. Okay, and they will give the hot water for drinking. But normally, we South region people, we are not habituated to drink the hot water, and we are not habituated to eat that size of food. And in the same way, they prepare the curries with the coconut oil, children. Normally, we prepare with groundnut oil, okay, or sunflower oil, but they prepare the food with the coconut oil, which smells like anything. And I used to get vomiting whenever when I smell that curry. Okay, therefore I went to an hotel. Even in the hotel, I thought that in that meeting it is they are giving of this type of food. Therefore I went to a hotel, children, just nearby. When I went there I found, okay, I ordered the uttappa. Uttappa is like a dosha, children. Even there I faced the problem. When I asked them, they too have given the same preparation with what? Coconut oil. Therefore I am not interested to eat that one. Why? Because as we are not habituated, the type of smell had irritated me. Okay, children. Okay, like that. Therefore, I went to a shop and I want to ask for a chili powder. Okay, I asked him chili powder. He is not understanding anything. Okay, I said that I want coconut oil. Sorry, I want the groundnut oil. Okay, I asked him, but here as he is unable to understand my language. Why? Because as we have a thought that all the Kerala people will know the English, but normally all the Kerala people will not know the English, children. Okay, of course, somewhat 50% as they are all are educated, but all of them will not speak English. Okay, children. Okay, of 50 to 60% they speak, but not all the people. Therefore, when I went into the streets of some place, okay, I faced the problem, children. Therefore, here in order to communicate with each other, compulsory language plays very an important role, children. Okay, children. And here the parts of the speech organ which involve in producing sounds. What are the parts which are involving in the producing the sounds, children? Vocal cords, lips, teeth, tongue, okay, nose and throat, children. What are the organs? What are the organs which help in producing of this sound? Vocal cords, lips, teeth, okay, tongue. Normally we see in some movies, children. Okay, normally they cut their tongue. What happens? We cannot able to speak. We cannot able to speak if we are not having of the tongue, children. And here in the same way, normally the old people, as when they are not having the teeth, like that they will produce this sound, children. Why? Because they cannot pronounce properly if they are not having teeth. Therefore, teeth also plays an important role while we are speaking, children, while we are producing this sound. Teeth, tongue, throat, nose. Normally, when we get cold, some people they'll speak with the nose, children. Normally, we come across that speaking with the nose. At that time, we ask them that do you got cold? Okay, like that it happens, children. Okay, and here the words that we utter do not have a single word, but they are a combination of sounds with different frequencies and amplitude, children. Whatever the sounds that we are producing, whatever the sound that we are producing, children, okay, they are not of single sound. They are not of single sound. They are mixed with the different frequencies and different amplitudes, children, and different pitch. Okay, and here the sound produced for each letter possesses particular frequency, children. Okay, each and every letter will be having of a particular frequency. The word is a combination. The word is a combination of different letters. A sentence is a combination of different words. Okay, and here sometimes some word is uttered in different ways to express different emotions. Normally, some words are uttered in a different ways to produce or to communicate with different emotions. Different, that means angriness, happiness. The same word, but it is uttered in a different way. Okay, children. Why? Because the word no is uttered in different particles to express negatively, anger, and frustration. No, I can't do. No, I can't. Like that also we express. Okay, children. Frustration, angerness, okay, negativity, like that. With the same word is uttered in a different position differently. Okay, children. And here next we'll be learning about noise and music, children. Noise and music. Okay, children. Noise and music. What do you mean by noise? Noise is if a sound is produced at irregular intervals of time, then it is called as a sound, children. Noise, children. If the sound produced at irregular intervals of time, which is not will feel unpleasant to hear that sound, then that sort of sounds are called as the noise, children. Okay, normally when we go to a market, the people speaking of different people will be speaking over there. Therefore, at that time we come across this noise, children. When the teacher is absent in the class, all the children talking, it irritates the person who is coming over there. Okay, that is called as the noise, children. Whereas the music is if the sounds produced at regular intervals of time, the vibrations produced at regular intervals of time, then that type of sounds is called as a music, children. Music. Okay, right. And here normally all the people like to hear the music, and some people will like the music of some music directors, different persons. Okay, some people like their different voices, children. That means different voices will become the favorite of the people of us, some people. Okay, children. Right, that is about the music, children. Okay, the remaining we'll be learning in the next class, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.